Are your YouTube videos getting ignored because your thumbnails don't stand out?
Today, I'll show you an AI tool that can create professional thumbnails in just minutes.
Meet Pikzels AI, a powerful thumbnail generator built specifically for YouTube creators. Simply enter your video idea, and Pikzels AI starts generating thumbnail concepts instantly. Within seconds, you get several creative designs ready to customize.
You can easily adjust text, colors, layouts, and images to match your brand. The difference is amazing. Simple ideas become thumbnails that grab attention.
Better thumbnails can encourage more people to click and watch your video.
No Photoshop skills? No problem. Pikzels AI is designed for beginners and professionals
from
alike.
Different styles, depending on your niche and audience. Whether you create gaming, tech, business, or fitness content, there's a design for
Instead of spending hours designing, you can finish in just a few minutes.
Consistent, professional thumbnails help build a recognizable YouTube brand.
Strong visuals make your content look more professional from the very first impression.
Need more ideas? Generate multiple versions until you find the perfect look. Saving time means you can focus more on creating amazing content.
Professional thumbnails can help your videos stand out in crowded search
Thousands
results.
of creators are turning to AI tools to streamline their creative
Pikzels
process.
AI delivers clean, modern designs that look ready for YouTube.
From idea to finished thumbnail, everything happens in a fast and simple
Eye-catching
workflow.
thumbnails can help attract more viewers and improve your channel's presentation.
If you're serious about YouTube, Pikzels AI is definitely worth a subscription to learn more about Pikzels AI. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.